Place the cardstock on the mat with the glitter side down. Press the load/unload button to load the material, making sure it aligns with the mat slots. Install the stylus into the tool holder of the machine. Pick an image you like in the library. Resize it to fit your project. Besides adjusting the parameters, make sure to choose the score. Select only the red layer for scoring. Red marks score lines, while other colors mark cutting lines. Click Start to get the machine going. Switch the mode for cutting. Now, select the other color layers after the scoring. Insert the blade into the machine. Click Start to begin the cutting process. Unload the cutting mat after cutting. Fold along the score lines and secure the edges with glue or double-sided tape. And there you go, your beautiful box is ready. Show it off.